Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto with Francesco. Today we're gonna talk about FAT and what could happen next for the Bitcoin. So if you guys like the content, make sure subscribe to the channel and like the video. So the FAT just announced its latest interest rate decision, and honestly, we are not seeing a huge breakout, right? So we are not seeing panic selling either. So everything looks like pretty normal right now. But I think most people are paying attention to the wrong thing. So the real question isn't what the Fed did today. Yesterday. The real question is what the Fed is going to do over the next few months, right? So as I said, the Fed kept interest rates exactly where they are. That wasn't a surprise. Pretty much everyone expected that. I think it was like over 70% or something like that, right? So now the big question is, when will they start cutting rates, right? So my answer is simple. I don't think they will. Right? To be honest, I don't think they will. I actually believe there is still a real chance we'll get like at least one rate hike before the end of the year, right? Because why I think that? Because the inflation is still something the Fed has to worry about, right? The job market is still holding up pretty well, and if inflation starts moving higher again, like the Fed could decide to raise rates one more time, right? A lot of investors are expecting rate cuts. I think that's where they might be wrong. And when most people are expecting the same thing, the market often does the opposite, right? So let's talk about what this means for Bitcoin, right? So what does all like means for Bitcoin? Right now, Bitcoin is holding up pretty well, actually. I mean that $60,000 sports zone is like holding like really pretty well. So the market didn't have a like crazy reaction after the Fed. And that's a good sign actually, but I don't think that automatically means we are going straight up from here. I mean, if you look at the chart, you will see. Also, first of all, I want to tell that I think we are like literally, I think that red candle, that 2026 in July, the right now, today, this month, I think it's like literally 2022, right? I really think so. Like, let me just clean that row. So I think we are like exactly here, 2022 July, right? Because if you look at the chart, I mean, you will see that the risk metrics, right? The risk metrics is also the same place. I mean, look at the risk metric right now. The risk metric is here, right? Which is also pretty much similar, right? It's like carbon copy. It's like literally carbon copy. So, and then you are saying that after in 2022, after July, we have seen like almost more than 30% drop, right? And look at the right now the risk metric, right? Sorry. And if I hit that chart, yeah, that's better. So, and if plays out like that, like in 2022, right? And we might see like another 30%, like, which makes actually around $48,000, right? So I mean, look at the chart. It's like really carbon copy, and like right here, and on the risk matrix it's right here, right? So, and it also means that actually, in my previous video, I already mentioned it. We have like huge, like really strong support zone around $48,000. So maybe our bottom will be $48,000. Maybe not, right? But to be honest, they are looking like pretty similar, right? They are like literally similar, and like almost like, as I say, like carbon copy. So if investors start realizing that the rate cuts aren't coming anytime soon, which I think the most people seeing, but not all of them, we could see a lot of like a lot more volatility, right? That's why I'm staying patient. I'm not chasing green candles, right? I'm waiting for the best opportunities. My strategy hasn't changed. I'm still like I'm sorry guys, I'm just getting trouble here. So anyway, so my sorry guys, so my strategy like hasn't changed. I'm still waiting like another drop from the Bitcoin, because if you look at the chart, I think you will also like realize that we are not in a good pattern, right? Like right now, like it's not the best time of the crypto, right? I mean, you can understand if you look at the chart, like monthly chart. You will also understand if you look at the risk metric, right? So all I'm trying to say, just stay cautious, right? Just be patient, right? And don't go all in. I mean, I'm not going, I never go like all in, right? I'm just buying partly, like little by little, that's all. Because if you look at the chart, they are really similar. I mean, let's look at the 2018, right? I mean, 2018, it wasn't risk metric then, but we had still, right? We had still like, just a second. We had still like after the July, we had still like more than actually 55% drop, right? And the bottom was $3,000, right? So all I'm trying to say that in the midterm year, they are all similar, right? We have like many red candles, which is normal for the crypto. Actually, it's like literally normal. It's like until the post halving years, right? Which was 2019 back then. We will see like it's like literally normal. That's why I think we might see like one more drop, one more capitulation. So guys, these are my views. These are not financial advice. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll see you next time.